Hello everyone, so today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on Bose T4S sound mixer. So let me start very quick. For the first thing you have to do is you have to take this dial. But before you take this dial, make sure your settings, whichever channel you're going to update, you have to click on that channel like this. So I'm going to update and I'm going to tweak the settings on the channel number 2. So I have to make sure I click on channel edit. If I have to go to number 1, I click on this, number 2, number 3 and number 4. So this is number 2 channel, and here I'm going to tweak the settings on it. So always remember, whichever port the microphone is plugged into it, you have to make sure you click on that channel edit. So my microphone is connected to the channel 2. So mine is channel edit 2. And you can see here it says FX2 mute because I have muted the channel. Okay. And this is unmute. Check. Hello, check. Hello, check. So this is what mute does, is it immediately mutes your effects. So let's go very quick one by one and update you how this works. The first setting you have to do is, you see the knob here, right? And you can see here I'm channel 2 because this light is flashing green. Check. Okay. So what the first thing I will do is I will go to this setting right here, which says tone match. Now here I have to go and click on the preset. You can see here there are 3 different knobs, 1, 2 and 3. So I will click on preset. Here it is. And from here I can pick different microphone settings. Usually I pick SM58A, which is pretty good microphone for vocals. So it has already defined settings in the system. So I will say, okay, go ahead and click on 58A. So this is my very first setting I have to start with. Now you can skip tuner, pan, scenes, which I can talk in the next video. You don't need for your karaoke or any kind of vocal settings. So what we need now is we have to get into the reverb. So the reverb type I have picked here is large. So what I'm going to do now is I will go ahead in my reverb type. So the reverb type is going to be large. You can click here. And when I move my knob, so you can see here how much reverb you want. Check. You see it's muted, and this is how it's sounding. So I will go with large. So this is large reverb. And the setting you can see here is my settings are 100% balance right here, which you can reduce to, even if you want less reverb, you can go to like say 75 or so, which I'm putting it now on the 75. This is it. So that's a basic setting for reverb type. My next setting would be the reverb, means like how much reverb you want to put on this channel. Okay, so let's play with these settings. So this is my reverb. I go, so you can hear, check, and if I reduce it, check. The other sound you're hearing is a delay, which will go in a second. But you can hear the ambience is gone. And look, check. Right? So this is 100% mix. Means it is mixing reverb with my dry voice, vocals. So I would go say 60. As a brightness, let's see what happens. Bright, I mean. So this is bright. Check. So here I go. So I put my mix at 75 and my bright at 50. Delay plays a big role in your vocals when you're singing on a stage, on a karaoke and all, because it doubles your voice, triple your voice. Remember those echoes? right? So the echo used to be hello, check, 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 hello, 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 like that. So this is delay. Delay means 1, 2, 3 times it repeats your voice. Okay, so let's see how it sounds. So this is mix. Check, 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 check. So I won't go much higher. I'll go 20. And the type. So there are many types I can use. I can go tape delay. Most people use tape delay. I can show you how it sounds. And this is tape delay. Delay. So you can hear my voice, right? Double. Check. See, that's delay. Check. So now my settings are changed and I'm putting the mix to 50. Or I can go 20. Which I like it, go 20, 230 ms, and the delay type is tape. So now listen how I sound. तेरी दुनिया से होके मजबूर चला. See the difference it makes, huge. तेरी दुनिया से, now with reverb and delay. तेरी दुनिया से. Now if any time or any case you think the delay is too much or the reverb is too much, with the mix only, not other setting, with the mix you can reduce it. Let me show you. You go like check. So only now what I have is reverb and this is delay. The quality it makes to your vocals is just unbelievable. So what you have to do is, look right here. Delay, reverb type, and pick the microphone. That's it? Okay. So let's go further up. Para equalizer. So you can check my level here, which is 6.0 PEQ1. And from here you can change it the way you want. I always go with 1. Hit the button, push it. Second is the level, which is 6.0 and frequency 70 Hz. So I'm not changing much there, just keep these settings. And the other key setting on this unit is ZEQ. This is equalizer. As you can see, it's highs, mid and lows. So let me go one by one show you. So this is my highs. And you can hear that when I lower down the numbers, it reduces my high vocals. Check. So I'll keep it up to 2, but you can increase depending upon your speakers. Other thing would be the mid. So how much mid I want? You can hear it, right? Check. Hey. Or I can lower it down, which I don't want to keep more than 2. But again, it's your choice. So 2 and 2. And this is the lows, which is something. Watch. As I increase the numbers, you can hear my bass increases. The problem with bass increases is that when your microphone is close to your speakers, it is going to give you lots of feedback and you will go crazy thinking about, man, what is causing this feedback? So what you have to do is you lower down, you can see the numbers, you lower down your lower frequencies. So keep it to 2, -3 or so, and it would be perfect. So anytime you hear a feedback from the speakers, just decrease your low frequency especially, because the more high lows you would have, like this setting right here, if it goes +3, +4, is going to create a lot of feedback. So reduce this and it will cut your feedback from your microphone to the speaker. So this is all for today, and I will definitely bring you the second edition of this video, which I'll go over with other settings which are not needed for vocal, but still, you should know what those are. So till then, take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you.